Masita, pamiling bata.
What is your name?
Ala, so what?
What's? I don't wanna give your name and I don't wanna give my name.
Na!
Sige!
Vlog! Vlog sa bata!
Go!
I'm not named.
Pindig batas kang maong.
Bata si Kang Maong.
Go lang ga lang. Go.
You don't have a name,
Oh.
but don't ask.
Na! Don't ask! Don't ask!
Is that touching?
I'm not asked. Are you asked? How old are
Wala.
you, dear?
I'm 9 years old.
Na!
I am a graduate.
And I'm 8 years old.
Come on, don't even lie. You're just a lame loser and liar.
Liar!
I'm not a liar. I'm not
No,
finished
drunk.
yet. I'm 18. That's what I mean.
So what? I don't even care.
No!
Paligid si Kaya.
If you don't care, then get out here.
Hala! Oh my...
You get out.
Ah!
This is my alma mater. I studied here. Are you studying here? No, therefore you have to get out.
Where is your home? Get back to your home, you nerd.
I'm not nerd. Don't you know that we are the owner of this school?
Ala!
Hello!
If you are the owner, where are your manners?
No! Idol!
RC! Go, go, go!
Lakas. Lakas.
Mababa no? Mababa na.
Lakas. Ba't pala nag-live ako? Naglilimas.
Kaya pala nag-ano.
Magbilan, magkano ba yan?
Ay, nilipat niya mo sila Glyza. Walis na si Harry.
Wow.
Naman po. Tita kasi hindi pupunta dun.
Sino tita?
Kapatid ko lang yung mga sila.
Inaabangan talaga.
Namin sila Harry.
Lagi tatanong ko.
Tingin baong.
Gago ka ba? Putang ina mo! Are you ready? It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Pre, may dadaan ba? Ayun, pasyatin niya, pasyatin. Pasyatin yan. Yan, yan.
Joshua, shot!
Shot!
Okay, pre!
Oo. Bigay mo, bigay mo, bigay mo. Philippine number 1.
Oo.
Dito lang meron yan.
Utang ay nakakaiba to!
Yan, sa Pinas lang meron yan. Yan.
Para-paraan pre ah!
Oh, walwalan version baha.
Lagyan na mo ka. Tumalayo na.
Walwala yung at matak mo. Dito, tulak na yan. Tanggal eh.
Salamat!
Thank you. Sige, thank you. Initially, nagkaroon sila ng kanilang pag-usap through Facebook. Then, dahil piyesta noon, madaling araw, 4:30, nag-meet sila dun sa lugar dito ni Sampalo. Nung dumating sila, dalawang minors, may na-meet sila 3 yung kanilang makausap. And then, nagkaroon ng konting inuman, pero konting tagay pa lang, nahilo na sila. So, ibig sabihin, may nilagay na pampatulog sa kanilang ilong. Nung magising around 7 a.m., itong dalawang minors na ito, paraho na sila na minulad siya. Actually, meron kasing regla. Yung isa, kung kaya hindi siya ginalaw, pero nag-masturbate sa harap niya yung isa at yung kanyang pinasabog sa mukha. While the other minor, talagang she was gang raped by the 5 suspects. It's fuckboys of Sampalo. Allegedly, they were involved in similar modus. Chatting through internet with young girls, inviting them for drinking session. After which, pag napainom ng pampatulog, ay kanilang minumulat siya.